This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. Another test, another test, another test.
Are you gonna send that to YouTube?
So it's Friday around noonish, and kind of did my work, and although there are a million things that I should be doing, such as cleaning my house, or cleaning my house, or cleaning my house, I feel like I really want to go to a thrift store, and I feel like that will feed my soul better right now than cleaning my house. Maybe it's just that I don't want to clean my house. It's probably that, but I don't care. I'm gonna go to a thrift store and I'm gonna take you with me. So let's go.
The rest of the day when, oh, yeah.
We'll see you again.
Thank you.
Yeah, dolls. I have a whole bunch of dolls. So we're gonna open our angel, the angel that came today. We haven't opened it, so Miss O over there is going to open the container. And then little Miss E is going to be able to take the item out. And so let me set up the camera and we'll get started. Oh, okay. This is our slice, and I can't remember who it's made by. If I can find it, I will link it below, but it is the best. It has a ceramic blade, so it doesn't ever get dull, and it really it can't cut you. It doesn't really cut your fingers. I mean, obviously, I'm still careful with it, and I'm not.
I can't
All right.
touch it.
You want to touch it? You want to touch it?
No.
Oh, well, okay. Be very careful. All right.
Okay. It tickled.
It tickles. Take this out. Go ahead.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, now let's take off that.
That's not how I expected.
Not what you expected. It's more of a rustic one.
I was imagining it to be like last year's glass.
Yeah, well, I can't find that one. I don't know what happened to it. But I like this one a lot.
I like the old one better.
Oh, you like
I
the
like
one
the
better.
more realistic.
Oh, you think so? What do you think, E?
I think the old one was better.
Oh, you did? Oh.
But
Oh no, wire for treetop. Okay, that's just not what I would have thought. Twist. Oh, so I guess you just, I don't know, put it on the tree and twist. I guess we will see. Are you ready to be, should we go into the other room and put it on the tree?
yeah, this goes like on top of the tree.
Yeah, I think you might be right. Okay, you ready? I think it's beautiful.
Me too.
You do? Kind of.
Except we need to add next time we should put eyes in a mouth and a nose.
Oh, you think it needs eyes and a mouth? I think it looks beautiful without eyes and a mouth. I think it looks beautiful just the way it is. Should I turn on the tree so we can see it?
Yeah.
It's kind of, it might be a little too bright. I mean, too bright outside. I'll shut this. Thank you for helping. Put the manger scene back Back together.
Look at my ornament. Look at my ornament.
Yeah, you both have lots and lots of beautiful ornaments.
Look at my mailbox.
Look at you, and you're just a baby.
Yeah. Now come down and see Mr. Baby Jesus.
Oh yeah, Goo Goo, baby Jesus.
I wanna hold it.
Okay, well hold on. And look, there's you as a baby.
Yeah.
What's sweetie? If you want to, we can. Yeah.
Wait, can we touch?
You need to be super gentle with things.
Like especially with
Oh yeah, that's glass. Yeah, most of the things on this table are glass.
This is called the glass table. I know. I said this table is mostly glass. Yeah, that's mostly
Oh, that's really cute. I like those.
They're cute.
They are cute.
They can't open.
That's right, they don't open. These are really like cool retro.
Look at this Santa.
Yeah.
He's a serving Santa.
Oh yeah, that's kind of cool though.
Another serving
Yeah, he's got a
This one, look at this.
gingerbread house.
Look at this one has all the way back here.
Oh yeah.
And a cake. For Christmas, I want my 2 front teeth.
You want your 2 front teeth?
Yes.
Do you know that song?
Yeah.
You do? Sing it.
All I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth.
You want to be on me? Stand up. Oh, goodness gracious.